How's it fire on the quads? We're at this waterfall. We've been here in the fall, winter, not fall. You might remember the video of me, Tristan, and Miles, but never been here during the summer. So that's what we're doing right now. Shoot me. Tiva's not the most grippy. Last time we did this, we almost died.
I don't want to fucking put my teeth in.
But I want to know.
My new movie, Free Solo. Is it like your wife falling off a... Why did it take you so long to get down here?
I was trying to figure out the best way to go. There's... You should be able to turn around.
There's nothing to grab. He's grabbing it the wrong way. I have to save him.
Oh, you got it, you got it.
Part of the nature.
Oh, when we were here last time, we thought this was a gate to Narnia. Back then, bugs weren't this prevalent. Is that the right word? Yeah. Cool. I don't even know if you can hear me, but as you can see, we made it to the falls, and it's nice. I'm getting some good images. Really excited to edit this photo. So the boys went behind the falls, but I have my camera, so I'm not doing that. I would do it, but I'm really not trying to break my camera. Yeah, Matt. God.
I'm right.
No, you're not. It smells like human. Alright, so we got a lot of good images. Well, I did at least. And now we're walking back. We're going the long way though this time instead of going down because we don't really want to climb up.
Why is it too high? Going up the homie.
There's fish.
Hey Eric.
What up?
Grab that branch to the left.
Circle of life, what can you do, huh? Oh.
thought I'd see you later. And I tell you that I loved you. If I did, deciding how to feel about it. With such strange emotion.
About to head out. Whoa, what happened to my voice? We're leaving now. Should we get something to eat?
Yes.
I'm home with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbye.